much to offer. At EKG Oriental Clinic, some encouraging words have been obtained. Homeopathic approach, as we were talking about, like this morning we were talking about the community and we were talking about the antibiotics, we will be giving the set of symptoms or the diagnosis remain the same, the disease part is of the patient is same, the treatment part also would be the same, barring there could be some difference in the company, but the basic thought would remain the same. Well, that is not the case in homeopathy. In homeopathy, there could be 4 or 5 patients having same problem, but they would not require the same medicine, depending upon their constitution, depending upon their individuality, which is the prime factor for homeopathic medication. As we talk about in miasmatically, MNT is the combination of chronic miasm, psoriasis, psychosis, and syphilis, resulting in a complex mixed miasm. As we talk in Ayurveda, cough, vat, pick. Similarly, we have what in this. These are the 3 basic miasms which causes the sickness. Approximately 10% of cases of family from MND are there. Now, this is what I'll take about the aim and objectives. To bring about this symptomatic improvement, to see the efficacy of homeopathic treatment on quality of life of the patient, and to study the effect of homeopathic treatment on disease progression and eventual lifespan of the patient. All were pre-diagnosed cases with the help of MRI, EMGs, NCDs, and by the neurologists of reputed hospitals or otherwise. That is why I was trying to make a submission, because in this we need a lot of expenses to get the investigation done, which a common man cannot do, and a practitioner like me or my institute cannot provide. So we need some help, or we need some kind of a this project can be taken by any of the government body, where we can provide this for the betterment of the patient. Out of 450 patients findings, of 370 patients have been included as part of this study. The remaining 72 patients were excluded due to this continuation of treatment within 3 months. Well, as a matter of fact, I think I just distributed one pamphlet, and if you could see the photograph of that lady, I started my project and working on for that is because of this lady only. I was called to see that patient in Odisha. I went there, I saw her, and came back to Delhi to send the medicine. And before I could send the medicine, I got the news that she is no more. So that had really moved me. It's an emotional touch with me that I started working for that, and I put that photograph of hers. Out of this, 378, 116 were female and 272 were male. These were the symptoms. Out of slurring speech was found in 301 cases, and out of 301, 89, 63% patients are improved. This बार बार कोई बात नहीं, कुछ कंपन होता है जीप में, वो काफी she is holding a pen because she is not able to communicate. She had to write to communicate. बोलने लिख के बात करना पड़ती है आपको। See, और इसमें कोई घबराहट भी चली हुई, तो कई शरीर में फर्क होती है। Difficulty in swallowing. 62% patients had this symptom, and out of that 51% had improved. जो गले का क्या होता है? Choking is another symptom. Out of 378, 207 patients that had 55%, and out of that 120 patients had improved to the homeopathic treatment. Salivation is another, you can see the saliva trickling down. 294 patients had that, and 153 had improved. Symptoms of tongue, 217 patients had tongue symptoms, which include the various kind of symptoms. Could be heaviness of the tongue, fasciculations of the tongue, sensation of tongue rolling inside, odd sensation of tongue, some foreign body on the tongue, and 147 patients, that is 68% patients showed improvement, and 6 patients were completely relieved of these tongue symptoms. Muscle wasting and the weakness. This is one area where I am looking forward if any kind of a help. I would like to introduce something better, that Homeopathy Institute of Homeopathy and Allied Medical Sciences was started with the concept of integration, and I started this institute in 1999, and way before the Ayush was formed, and in that Director of Health Services Delhi had visited our clinic, and he was so impressed and felt that he started having Ayurvedic and Homeopathic dispensaries in all the allopathic hospitals. So the integration was the point where we can do something good for the patients. The patient's welfare should be our aim. And this particular area is the one where I need, some more, like the nutrition part, the other part has to be taken into account. 306 patients complained of muscle wasting. Out of these, 306 patients have improved. Out of 378 patients, 338 patients had fasciculation. 257 had improved. Pregnancy to fall. 312 patients had that, and out of 312, 187 had improved. Coughing is another symptom with a consistent cough. 189 patients out of 378 complained of that, and 189 had improved. Now this is the same lady which you have got in your the pamphlet. My whole project and whole thing is dedicated to this lady. 158 patients had the difficulty holding the neck. If you could see, her headgear is being tied to the chair to keep her neck straight. And I was so moved because she could not open her mouth. Her son used to feed by dipping the cotton into the sabji and just licking over the lid. So that was the state of affair with that lady. She could not move, and who did not even survive for 2 days when I saw her. Difficulty in fine movements, 73% people had, and 34 patients showed improvement. Again, complete aphonia closure. Also see the wasting part and into the enunciation is being removed. And the another thing which is important was this disease is when it progresses so fast, within 10-15 days there will be remarkable downfall. So the patients do not know what to do and what is happening. Now this is fasciculation. You can see over there. And there are patients who have this kind of fasciculation 24/7. So making their life completely hell and very, very difficult to prolong that. This is the fasciculation of the tongue. You can see that. Wasting of muscles. As an individual, individual body, as an individual person, what are best I can do, and from our institute side, I mean, again, we are doing, but we are looking forward that, I mean, we can draw some line to start something for the betterment of these kind of patients. Makes him completely difficult to talk this. Now coming to the cases, I mean, this was a one particular patient, I mean, Mr. VS, he was given the maximum lifespan for 1 to maximum 1.5 years by the doctors in Delhi. He was being treated at, GB Pant Hospital and Irvine Hospital. He had flooding of speech for 6 months, difficulty in getting up after sitting, floating in throat with suffocation, giddiness with sensation of falling down. Patient had a fall on the left side due to imbalance in December 2008. Since then, he gradually started feeling weak in his legs, and it became difficult to lift his leg up. It became difficult for him to get up from the sitting position. Gradually, the speech also started deteriorating, and he also started complaining of choking in the throat with suffocation. He already is a known case of type 2 diabetes and fatty liver. Family history is, coronary artery disease is mother. Brother has got hypertension and diabetes. No history of neurological disorder in the family. Investigation, PET CT scan was done. Relatively decreased. Crystal marks noted up to sensory motor cortex, and normal study of EMG. All jerks were examined on examination. This is a physical examination. You can read. Now, this was a unable to बिना रिपोर्ट में उठना मुश्किल लगता है। आप बताओ। Well, this is the main on October. अब बोलने में आपको जो मतलब अभी वो मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग में क्या पड़ेगा? You cannot even continue to talk without the पूरा वर्ड नहीं होता। सुबह का नहीं बोला हमेशा हमेशा ऐसा रहता कभी कभी ठीक बोला जाता ज्यादातर ठीक बोला जाता है या नहीं और सुबह उठ के कंपेरेटिवली ठीक होता। अच्छा और आपकी वो जो कैसे अभी ओवरऑल जो है नाक से आ रही है ठीक है। अच्छा पहले तो जैसे बीच में आवाज निकल बिल्कुल बंद थी आवाज आ रही है निकल है वॉइस थूकने के लिए नाक बंद करना पड़ता है। अच्छा अच्छा वो जो पिचिंग और फेसिफिकेशन थी अच्छा और वो जो घुटन हो रही थी कुछ खाने पीने में जो तला हुआ है मिर्च खाना overall, patient and the family member feel that homeopathy has helped them a great deal, not only in arresting the further progression of degeneration, but also has got good improvement in various symptoms and in quality of life. As on date, Mr. Obvious is absolutely living a normal life. He was treated exclusively by homeopathic treatment. He was the only person who did not even have once the Ralotol. Well, this is the I mean, his case history, but I think, Dr. Indimal is saying time is short. So can we forward it? Because there was a time when he had lost voice completely and he used to write down to communicate. And after the medication, he started regained his voice. Now you can listen to him. He's at least audible. He can communicate with the family members. Okay. Well, you can see this. I think because of shortage time, we'll just come and talk to this. See, this was a patient after seeing PGI Chandigarh. She was on ventilator at that time. And see the continuous movement of the jaw, right? Absolutely standard eyes. Fixed eyes are there. The involuntary jerks and movements of the jaw, they and now she is in a position to roll her eyes also. Continuous movement of the jaw, she is absolutely stable over there. And the eyes, which was absolutely fixed now, she is in a position to roll her eyes with the movement of the attendant. Responsive. Many times the patient, they are not able to understand themselves, so somebody else tells them in their voice their speech is being affected. No, I think you take out this was the patient, the technology advancement. This patient who's I think through the Skype. Initially I saw him through the Skype, and when we started, it was on Get Online treatment from my side. Yeah. It started from the right side, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look at it. Well, I think we leave for a couple of slides because. Bari. Patient was there in India. What are the things which are better and what are the things which are stagnant या इनमें problem हुआ? See, my idea was actually, the time is not permitting me, but otherwise I wanted to show so that you could have at least appreciated the changes, what at least everybody has brought in. And this was I thought it was a proper place where we could have placed this thing on record and could be seen by the dignitaries and the officials. So this should have been utilized for the betterment of the patient. But unfortunately, I have been made up to play the last batsman. and the game is over to be over. Okay. The best part, again, what else forget about this? There is a coordination had the coordination been there between the institutions. There's a patient of mine, I'll just come on back, who was showing at AIIMS, or Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, but taking homeopathic treatment. He had taken treatment from AIIMS earlier, but not responding. Then he switched over to homeopathy. I think patient from Bangladesh. Yes. This I would like, this